Namaste. I'm standing at the gate of Sri Atmiya Shishu Vidya Mandir. I am the principal of the school. My name is Pooja Sharma. This is the school in Rajkot, at the middle of the Rajkot district, near the Khalawad Road, the main area of Rajkot district. You can see the boundary wall of the school. The school comes under the aegis of Sarvodaya Kelavani Samaj, and it is a CBSE affiliated school till secondary level. And this video is shot for the purpose of getting the affiliation for senior secondary level. So let's come for the tour of the school. From the main gate area, we are going to be heading towards the assembly area of the school. This is the assembly area of the school. Surrounded by trees, it is a lush green area. You can see the stage here. Every day in the morning hours, the school starts, or the day of the school starts with the assembly. From the assembly area, now we are heading towards the parking area of the school, where the staff members park their two-wheelers. In front of the parking area, we have a small park consisting of slides, seesaw, for the primary children. You can see the area is surrounded by neem trees. Now we are moving towards the admin office. This is the admin office of the school, where the admission process takes place, and the account section is also here. This is the main building of the school. Now we are moving towards the main entrance of the building. The school gives equal importance to all the moral values as it gives to the academic excellence. So you can see the different moral attributes which are pasted on the wall. That during the entrance only for the children, they can get connected towards the family, the society, and the nature. This is the main corridor of the school. You can say the lobby of the school. We find that we give importance to our staff members, and so the birthdays of the staff members are also pasted on the board so that the children also know that when their teacher's birthday come. Next to it we have the staff room. The staff room is equipped with the PCs so that the teachers have good access to the internet and the different digital devices. Now, after passing through the reception of the school, we come towards the computer room where we find that all the digital platforms are connected to it. Digital platforms for the school is connected to it. Question papers making or different documents printing and typing takes place in this area. We believe in making innovators, makers, authors, thinkers to our children. So this is a way to promote that excellence in our children. We also organize different kinds of fairs. So we find that pictures are pasted over here of the science fair, which was organized in our school. This is grade 10th classroom. Then we have this grade 9th classroom. And every classroom is equipped with the digital boards. As we know that audio-visual aids provide an excellent way of teaching children, and it is a wonderful tool for the teachers also. This is the storeroom of the school. These are the, you could say, the pictures of the students who have excelled in different classes. So just a way to appreciate our children. This is the Xerox room. This is our examination department, where you find the answer sheets are all kept over here. Now we move towards the principal's office. This is my office over here. See that? Here is the art and craft room. Children of all the classes have their art and craft lecture, and they come over here and then they create the different things. drawing, sketching, coloring by different modes of colors is taught over here. Beautiful craft work is also taught in our classrooms. Children are always promoted to read more and more books. You can see the pictures where we promote our children to read a lot. And Scouts and Guides, which we have in our school. Let's move towards the music room. Our music room is also adequately equipped with different musical instruments. Our music teacher also teach vocal as well as instrumental to our children. These are certain pictures of our cultural events in which our children have participated. Now we are going to move to another part of the same floor. This is the meeting room, which is equipped with a digital hardware system also. It's kind of a room, a multi-purpose room where even the teachers can have their meetings, or the children can have their seminars. When we call the lectures from outside, the guest lecturers can come here and give their lectures on various topics. We have the drinking water taps over here, and the ladies' washroom. We also have the vending machine over here for the sanitary napkins. Now we are coming to the infirmary, that is the sick room of the school. If a child is not feeling well, we usually do not give any kind of medicines. We usually give a small amount of maybe homeopathic or some Ayurvedic medicines to the children for small treatments. And if the child is serious, then we call the parents and do the needful. So now we are in the first floor of our school building, where you can see the dustbins placed over here. We have clear indication of the renewable and non-renewable waste to be placed in the dustbins. This is our grade 1, the classroom. We have a very colorful classrooms. All the classrooms of primary classes are very colorful, so that the children feel happy, joyful being in the class. So, At every floor, you'll find the fire extinguisher for the safety purpose. Let's move to the other classrooms. This is the another section of grade 1. And you find that apart from having a digital board or the equipment, we also have the soft boards, so that the children get an opportunity to create their things, and when we paste those things on the soft board, they feel very happy about it. We have grade 2 over here. We have different classrooms ahead. The taps are also there at every floor. We find there are 4 taps of drinking water, and this drinking water is RO filtered. There's a girls' washroom. Now we come to the other part of the building, that is in the first floor only. Let's start with the sports room. We have different facilities for the indoor sports. You can see the chess is there, carom is there, badminton is placed. The different trophies are here which our children have won. We have table tennis, table also over here. Now the other room is the AV room. It's a separate room. It could be used for the classes also sometimes, and even for the staff members also. This is grade 4 classroom. You can see that every classroom is equipped with the digital board, as we believe that digital education has now become an integral part of the school education. Here also we find the fire extinguisher is placed. This is the mathematics lab. We find the different teaching aids are also placed over here to teach the primary children. And we have the construction instruments also placed over here, which helps the teachers to explain the theorems or the constructions to the children in a more appropriate and clear manner. We have these posters pasted on our walls Like this one is for the rainwater harvesting, so that the children know the importance of water and how they can conserve it. We also have the counseling room. We have a counselor, which sometimes if a child is in need of counseling, then we utilize it. It's a small poster regarding the awareness of coronavirus, so that the children and the staff would get acquainted with it. This is the tutorial room, where we usually have the remedial classes running over here after the school hours. Now we enter into the computer lab, or we can say the e-learning center of the school. We have two labs, in fact, in this. This is first and the second one. And each of the lab is equipped with more than 40 PCs. And all the PCs are connected with LAN connection. So they have the internet facility. Though we restrict the usage of the internet for the children. This is the second lab. It is also equipped with more than 40 PCs. The whole system is connected with the UPS. This is yoga room. We strongly believe that yoga is a form of an exercise which helps not only in the physical balancing of a child, but also helps to balance the mental strength of the child. So yoga helps in getting physical as well as mental stability in a child. We regularly have yoga classes, and usually our day begins with a small yoga exercise in the morning. This is the boys' washroom. We have the drinking water taps over here. As I've already told you, they are connected with the RO system. It's a staff room for our staff members. We also have one campaign against the usage of plastics, and a poster over here is placed to encourage our children not to use plastics. We have come to the second floor of the building. This is one of the classes in the building. You'll find that every classroom has a digital board over here also. Beside the classroom, we have this chemistry laboratory. Our chemistry lab is equipped with all the salts, acids, bases for the practicals of the 11th and 12th standard. We find all the organic compounds, inorganic compounds, or the reagents, everything is placed properly for the future experiments. We also take care of the safety, as we all know that in chemistry laboratories, accidents are likely to occur. So we have safety measures for it. The fire extinguisher is placed over here. There's another classroom over here. Class grade 7. Now we come to the biology laboratory over here. The biology lab also has the adequate equipment required for the practicals of class 11th and 12th. We have the adequate number of samples. The next is the physics lab. The physics lab is also adequately equipped so that children who will be coming in class 11th and 12th, they have the facility to conduct the experiments for those classes. Now, this is the washroom for the gents staff over here. Beside this, we have the drinking water facility also. This is grade 8. Now we have come to the third floor of the building. This is the library, or we can say the learning center of the school. You can find a beautiful way to explain to children. We have plenty of books of all genres. We have plenty of books for all the standard of the people, of the children. We also have a small section of e-library. Here you can see the different links which are given over here. Through this link, children can download those books. We also have different sections of storybooks, which cater to the minds of the children of various age groups, apart from the academic books. Like, for example, you can see standard age short story. So we have the storybooks for the 8th standard. We have the storybooks for the 7th standard. So they are placed according to the standard. We also have a good section for the primary children also, so that they can read. You can see we have books in 3 languages. You can see in 4 languages: English, Hindi, Gujarati and Sanskrit. We also have the books for class 11th and 12th. Lab manuals and everything are here. We have different magazines which we get on a regular basis. Mostly these are the monthly magazines which we get. This is the section for the novels. Fine, the novels are here, and even the staff members or the children of higher classes, they can issue these novels. There are certain reference books also for the teachers and for the children also. We also have a software for the issuing and returning of the library books. So that is there in the PC of the librarian, who can have an access to it. Now beside this library, we have this reading room, so that the children, when they issue the books, they can sit here and read. This area also has various sections of books for the higher classes, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. These books are also placed over here of various subjects. You can find lots of books over here. We also have a screen over here. If the librarian wishes to show any video, then that screen can be utilized. These are the few pictures which are pasted on the soft board of the various activities which have been done in library. Okay, this is the area where we have the extra classrooms for the proposed senior secondary classes, for which we are having this video for the affiliation purpose. We have this cooling system for the drinking water. These are the certain extra classrooms, 5 in each floor.
A child needs to be physically fit to remain mentally alert. Therefore, I think that education system has very well interlinked sports and physical education in our curriculum. Here you can see the sports ground of our school, which is nearly 6,000 square meters. We provide facilities for our children to learn and play various games like indigenous games like Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, the other team games like volleyball, cricket, football. We also also train our children in some of the individual games also, like karate and skating. Numerous athletic events are held in which races, long jump, shot put are some of the games in which our children participate and enjoy. These are some of the tracks of the athletic games. We've also seen the volleyball ground and the kho-kho ground also. This is the pit for the long jump. This is the track this is the ground for the kabaddi. We promote our children to participate in district, state and national level competitions also. Our children have won medals in national level, karate championships. We also promote our children to participate in Khel Mahakumbh and other competitions also.
So now we have completed with the tour of Sri Atmiya Shishu Vidya Mandir. I hope it satisfies all the norms for the affiliation of senior secondary level. Thank you very much.